Hello, welcome to the video series of the Research Support Center of PGIN. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft Word document with some pages portrait and some pages landscape. You may want to do this when you are preparing your dissertation or thesis or any other document. For instance, when you have a table which doesn't fit to a portrait page, you might need a page or two to be landscaped. I assume that you are familiar with Microsoft Word application, ribbon, tabs, command groups, and commands, and I'm not going to explain them in this video. In this example, we have a document with 3 pages. Let me open the document. I'm going to make the second page landscape and leave the first and third pages portrait. 3 pages. Keep in mind that in Microsoft Word, to apply different settings and formatting, you need to break your document into sections. Formattings will be applied to an entire section. You can't apply different formattings to pages without creating sections. Here I'm going to make 3 sections in this document. I'm going to create the second section on the second page. This is how to do it. Place your cursor at the very beginning of the second page of the document. Here I am now in the second page. Make sure that you are in the very first line. Then select Layout tab from the ribbon and go to breaks. There are 2 types of breaks, page breaks and section breaks. Here we are interested in section breaks. Next page, insert a section break and start the new section on the next page. Let me click on this. Right. Nothing happened. How do we know that the second section is created? It is very simple. You can double click on the header or footer area of the document. Let me click here, double click. Okay, now you can see on the first page, header section 1, footer section 1. Second page, header section 2 and footer section 2. Third page also belongs to section 2. So now what I want is to change the second page, only the second page, to landscape. To do that, I need to create another section because I want the third page remains landscape, the portrait. To exit header and footer, you can close from here. Now let me go to the third page, very first line, and create another section. Go to layout, breaks, next page. If you again double click here on the header, now you can see we have 3 sections. Section 3, section 2, section 1. Let me exit this. Now let's see how are we going to make the second section landscape. While you are in the newly created second section, page 2, select Layout tab. We are already in the Layout tab. And select Orientation, Landscape. Okay. Now we have a Word document with 3 pages. Of them, the second page is changed to landscape. Now, usually in Word documents, we need to insert the page numbers. To insert page numbers in this document, we don't have page numbers. To insert page numbers, we need to go to the Insert tab and go to Page Numbers, Page Number, top of the page, bottom of the page, you can select. Here I want my page numbers, bottom of the page and center. You're planning to bind this document as a book, and the position of the page number in landscape page looks odd. Like this, we are going to bind from this edge. We need to change the position of the page number in section 2. We want to move this somewhere here. How to do that? Before you do that, you need to unlink sections. Usually in Word documents, sections are linked. How to check that? Let me again double click here, the footer. Go to the second page. Now you can see this section is linked to the previous section. To remove the link, I can click on this command. If you don't remove the link, what happens is when you do some change, that change will be applied to all the sections throughout. But here we want to change the position of the page number only in this section. Therefore, let me unlink this and again go there. This also, footer also, you need to unlink. That page also, that section also you need to unlink. Now you can delete the page number here without affecting to the other sections. Let me delete this and check whether page numbers on the other sections are in. Yes, page 1 and section 3, both page numbers are remaining. But before you delete, you need to do something else. Let me undo it. Okay, page numbers are back on the second section. Now, to place the page number here, we need a placeholder. For that, I'm going to insert a text box. Go to Insert tab, select text box. Text box is inserted there. So I'm going to move it here. And I want to change the direction of the text. To do that, go to Text Direction, same tab, and delete this. And you can simply copy this page number by selecting this page number and pressing Ctrl and click somewhere inside the text box and press Ctrl. Now you have inserted your page number into the text box. Now we need to do a couple of things. We need to align this page number properly. To do that, you go to Format and Align. Align to middle. Okay. Now we need to say we centered this page number, and we need to align this to the bottom of the page. Select the text box, right click, more layout options, and from here you can adjust the distance between the page number and the page. And here vertical alignment center. Right. Okay. Now you go to the format shape here, and by default there are left and right margins in the text box. Just make them everyone, I think, 0. Okay. Make it small. And one more thing, we need to get rid of the borders. To do that, go to shape options, line, no line. Right. Done. Now we can close header and footer. Now our page number is nicely placed on the second page. Let me insert another page to this section and see whether we can get the page numbers automatically. To do that, go to insert, page break. Okay, yes. Now we have 2 pages in page 2, section 2, and page numbers are automatically inserted. In this video, I showed you how to prepare a Word document with multiple layouts of pages, both portrait and landscape, in the same document. Hope this will help you to prepare your documents nicely. Thank you.